Today let me share with you the recipe of the cleaning spray that I use for cleaning almost all surfaces in my home, like glass, wood, plastic, etc. This can be used for cleaning almost all surfaces except granite and marble. For cleaning granite and marble surfaces, the same recipe can be used with a small variation. So let's get started. For making this, first of all we need a spray bottle like this, and this one I got from IKEA, and then we need vinegar, some vinegar, and some dishwashing liquid. I always try to reduce the wastage by buying things in bulk. Also, you will need some essential oil or aromatic oil like this. Here I have used lemon oil. You can use any kind of essential oil if you do not like the smell of vinegar. I'm going to take 1/4 cup of vinegar. And 2 drops of dishwashing liquid, and 4 to 5 drops of aromatic oil. Any kind of aromatic oil you can use. And I'm going to fill the rest of the bottle with plain water, and our cleaning spray is ready to go. Just shake well and it's ready to use. For using this cleaning spray on marble and granite surfaces, you can either avoid adding vinegar to the cleaning spray, or you can add isopropyl alcohol or rubbing alcohol in the same ratio as you add vinegar. For cleaning mirror and glasses also, I use the same solution. But if you're making another bottle, you just need to add vinegar and water only in equal ratio. Thank you so much for watching this video, and hope you all enjoyed watching it.